Yo, so I did something. Got about $100 worth of Pokemon cards and packs here. So I'm going to show you the difference between opening them now, for the hype, versus holding them long term, like an investment. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Tommy Ho. I talk about investments, strategies, long term, short-term plays, primarily in crypto right now because I'm loving crypto and XRP, but I also cover investment strategies within the stock market. And now let's talk about Pokemon. See if it's a good investment long term, or should we just open these packs in front of you? I was inspired by my cousin, so shout outs cousin and a couple of my buddies getting into this. First of all, I got into it through a vending machine at Fry's, and I got a booster pack, and I was like, I made 100% gain just from like a $20, $25, I think it was like 20 something bucks investment. I'm keeping those because we'll see, I only put in 25 bucks, and they go for like 60 something bucks now, some 80. And let's talk about, let's do an experiment today. See, like, with these, I got like 2 white flares and then 5 of the black bolt. So I opened up a binder packet that I bought from GameStop. I have a ton of those, but I don't want to spoil it for you guys. I opened the packet because I realized that the box had like a little dent in it. Same thing with this one too. So this is the Eevee, Radiant Eevee. That I forgot where I got it, probably at GameStop too, or Walmart, or one of those. But I just started getting into this, I want to say like 2 months ago, 3 months, maybe 2 months. And it's been fun. So I've never opened up the boxes. I've never even opened up the binder packets. I've just been collecting. And I opened up one box today, or one of the sleeves today. And I'm not going to tell you, but I made some solid money on that. So my mindset in general with this was, if you if you buy these, it's kind of like gambling. That was the initial thought. But when I ripped that one open, I was like, geez, I made my return like 3x. Like, I don't even know how many X's, but let's say like one of these packs costs like, I don't know, $5. I think like just between $3 to $8. So just give it like an even $5 for one of these, right? So I bought one because it was there at GameStop, $5, and then I pulled a card that's like worth $100. It's crazy. Full arts. I don't know what that means, but it's what my cousin was saying. And I guess the grading on it is pretty good. It's ungraded. I'm sure it's going to cost more to take it to get graded. I heard that there was a backlog, so I'm not even going to do that. But it's good money. So let's see if I'm going to do the same for these, just because out of curiosity. That was my first ever opening sleeve. So I want to see if these are going to be the same, or am I going to just gamble it all away. This is $100 worth, so this thing probably goes for, I bought it for $65. It probably goes for a lot more now if I didn't open it. So let's take the risk. And then we'll look at it too. Let's take a look and see how much this costs, and then what these all cost if I kept them and flipped them, right? Or if I kept them for like the future long term. So we'll kind of get into the charts of those, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys and let's see what we can pull out of these. Pull this guy here so that I can talk to you guys. I lost my magnet, so hopefully you guys can hear me okay. This is gonna look weird, but whatever. All right, so I'm gonna pull up this app called Price Charting. I'm not even gonna take the credit. I just learned about this like literally today. And then, let's see, Pokemon price charting. So price charting is this app that you guys can you guys can download. All you got to do is scan the bar and it'll pop up like where and how much these are estimated to go for on like eBay and other, web, the intranet. All right, so let's go through it. Oh man, see how this is. Are we going to make money on our return, or are we gonna lose it all? I'm like, oh my gosh. I can see why people like this. It's like gambling, it's not good. I'd rather keep this box long term and then see like how it appreciates. But yeah, that's why we're doing this, guys. It's all for you, $100 just for you. It's all wiped. Because I can hold all of this or I can flip it. Experimenting, let's go. So I just learned how to open up these packets. What you gotta do is you gotta grab the backing of it like this. And then hold your thumb. I guess like, I don't know, that like pack beat, I don't know, card behavior. Let's see. And then it pops open like that. You just push it up, not too hard because you don't want to mess the card if you get like a rare card. But yeah, let's take a look at this. Let's see. -$5. We started with $100. This is -$5 now, right? So let's see if we make our money back. And I'll do like a bulk scan and see like what the total we have. Okay, like that. And she said like, I don't know, what did she say? She said take the top card because the energy card, bring it down. And then it's the last 2 cards, 3 cards? We got 3 cards or 2 cards is what matters. We got the basic energy, what this is. Then we've got for a relish, I don't know what this is. I'm not even gonna go, it's gonna take too long. We're doing this for an investment purposes, right? So oh look, holographics. Do this. Oh, this is the first holo. So I don't know what this is. Vanilla Light. And then we've got, I don't think these really M-bar. So -$5. We didn't make anything, right? I heard that these go for like pennies or something. So like that's -$5. Done. Okay, number 2. This is the white clear. So total is 100, guys. Oh shit. All right, so total is $122. $122. You see that? And then each of these packs, I had 7 packs. So think about like that. Let's do the quick math. So it's actually pretty, and I came in here like not even thinking of anything. So 7, let's say like times 5, that's $35. Like 100. This is crazy. There's no way. I'm pretty sure like like each of these they don't go for like the full amount, but based on the appreciation, the value of it, like and I'm only doing just the sleeves, opening up the sleeves. So like if you guys actually store these away, I can see some value in that. So I'm gonna continue doing these series and then seeing like what the total net is and then how much profit. Because I thought that and I came in here not knowing, guys, this is like just, you're seeing whatever I'm seeing, and then just based on how I'm doing the analysis, if there's a better way to do it, please let me know in the comments below. This right here, I'm not, you want me to open this? Whatever, I'll open it. But just based on the cards alone, from this black bolt and then the white flare, like it's a good investment. Like just on the cards and stuff, like I was bashing it at first, and initially, like when I started this up, I already had this mindset of like, oh, if you open it, it's like gambling. But I don't think so, guys. I think Pokemon in general is just, maybe there's a bubble going on or something. I don't know, but people love this shit. I loved it growing up. You know, I love playing Game Boys. This is my life. And so it's pretty cool to, you know, see things go back around. And I don't have any kids now, but since I do have kids, I think it'll be something to have fun with, because I like hanging out at GameStop. You know, something that I love doing just for fun, you know, hanging out and seeing people. But this is pretty solid. I think it's, wow. Wow. I mean, I didn't pull anything cool, but based on like what I was trying to look for. But it depends on the mindset, right, guys? So it's just like, if you're looking for something just for like that one card, I think that should be more of a perk. But if you're trying to do this, you know, I wouldn't say like trash all these cards. I would say like actually keep them, and you don't know, and then make sure you track it all, like as if it was like an investment. Because I think if you're actually doing this, you're ripping it, you already put money into it, might as well keep it for an investment. Like when we were younger, right? When we were younger, I'm pretty sure all of you guys were just like, oh yeah, this is just Pokemon cards. You don't know. People play this too, but all of a sudden it turned into something large, and then like people are making millions of it from it. So have fun, do the investments with it too. Let's open up this next box. Maybe this video is gonna be too long, guys, so I'm gonna have to cut this up. On the next video, you'll see me open this box. You guys like this type of video, please let me know, comment below. Our first phase, this is the first series of this, Pokemon as an investment. Right now, I think it is. So, invest like a collector. Yes, no, open it up, 50-50, have fun. Enjoy, have a great weekend. Thank you guys for watching until this point. If you're still watching, please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. I accept any comment, any feedback. Thank you. Pokemon Go. Actually, I forgot something. Rewind. Forgot to do the profit. So 35 bucks, right? 35 bucks was the initial investment, and we made $122 total. So guys, since my math is not mathing, I am going to go ahead and cheat, aka use ChatGPT and do the math for me. So I put that, you know, I opened up the 7 sleeves. I actually did the calculations based on the charting and spent 35 bucks. These are valued at $122. What's the percentage gain and how is this profitable? So it said your Pokemon pack return on investment breakdown. So say it's 35 bucks, current value 122, $87 profit. So we made 249% return, 250% return in a single session. So like, this is like crypto gains. No wonder all of you guys are in this. Like, all of you guys, how come you didn't let me know? Come on, what the? Guys, we're in the same team. Why aren't you commenting below if you're into Pokemon? Like, how come you didn't let me know? Well, I'm letting you guys know. If you're watching this and you're into Pokemon and you're on the fence about it, it's pretty good returns. You know, 50-50 shot, right? Because like you're gonna have to get into the card games and start learning about how to actually sell these, because I won't know until I actually try and sell it. So But this is a series, so it's just a quick evaluation and see if this is actually worth it. And I'm shockingly surprised that like it's pretty solid. So if you guys actually focus on this as something that you just don't buy like random packs, and you make sure that like you're not trying to gamble, track everything, make sure you understand what you have, and then just don't throw it away. That's one thing I would say. Based on what I'm seeing here, I would not advise that. I'm not a financial advisor, but just from what I see, I'm not throwing these away. I'm gonna put them away, put them in a binder or something, and then see if I can actually resell it, and then see if these are actual gains, right? Because it's saying that we can make, I spent 35 bucks, give or take. Even if it's like 40 bucks, 50 bucks, these are valued at 122 based on the cards, and then see if I can actually get that 250% return. That would be insane. So let's see if we can go to like a card shop or something, get these, and then, I'll show the breakdown. These are the 7 packs. I'll put them in a separate binder or something, so that way you guys know that these are the same exact ones, and then we'll start seeing if we can actually make a return on this. But guys, based on this challenge, based on this evaluation, can this keep on going? Is this something that's available? Comment below, on your last pack return on investment. I'll feature the top pulls next week, see how this goes, and then I'll also kind of unbox this too, the $65 value, and see if we can actually make some money from it. All right, guys, if you guys like this type of video, please like, subscribe, have a great weekend. I accept all feedback. Later.